everybody that I just puked all over. And now I have hiccups. I need to get you a bath. 'Cause you smell like pukey. It's a little Pukezilla. My little Pukezilla. Oh, I wish my camera wasn't broken. So I actually see what I'm pointing at. I think I can see you. But I can't tell because my screen is broken. See, I just puked all over. And now I smell like Pukezilla. Little hiccup baby. Ready for a bath? Wanna go take a bath? Alright. Oh goodness. God bless you. And again, jeez. You've been sneezing a lot too, huh? Oh, you're tired. Let's go get a bath. We'll put you down for a nap, okay? Say bye, everybody.